don't want you to sweat it out. I don't want you to overthink it as well. Just be who you are. Hello Empowered Pinays! In today's video, I am going to teach you how to effectively write a blog, especially if you are a beginner. And I'm going to share with you 10 different tips. Number 1, you have to understand your audience. You have to find out kung ano po yung gusto ng mga readers mo. Number 2, you have to pick a topic. Why? Kasi kailangan interested ka din sa sinusulat mo. Kailangan happy ka because it will reflect on your blog. Number 3, you have to create an outline. Why do you have to create an outline? Kasi minsan wala ka din talaga sa mood magsulat. So kapag meron ka po mga outline na mga subheadings kung ano yung mga gusto mong topic na isulat, minsan you don't have to really start from the start. Sometimes yung outline number 2 mo, gusto mo dun mag-start. Sometimes you have to start on outline number 3. And then after mo mabuo lahat ng outline mo, you can put all the pieces together and then finally you can create a conclusion or even your title. Number 4, you have to pick a title that stimulates curiosity ng mga readers mo. Kasi ito yung nag-e-encourage sa kanila na mag-click sa kung ano man yung sinulat mong blog. Number 5, you have to start with a great introduction. Kasi your introduction will help your readers na ma-encourage sila na tuloy-tuloy na basahin ang iyong blog. So kailangan, para po yung title, no, it has to stimulate curiosity na para magpatuloy silang basahin yung buong blogs mo. Tip number 6, what to include in your content. So minsan po nag-iisip kayo na feeling nyo, you just have to write it, right, na parang journal and then tuloy-tuloy lang. No po, you have to include valuable information, knowledgeable tips, mga facts, opinions, while sharing your own personal stories. Why? Kasi hindi lang naman po pagrarant ang vlogging eh. You have to, again, understand what your audience want. Include mo yung mga knowledgeable and factual things and opinions mo at sarili mong story. This will create a really great vlog. Number 7, word count. The longer the better, pero you have to cut it in short paragraphs. Kasi your visitors or your readers, they like to read in tidbits eh. What do I mean by that? Minsan po kasi psychologically, when we have to look at papers, right? Or kaya isang mahabang paragraph siya, parang nadi-discourage tayong basahin yon. But if it's break into mga short paragraphs or mga short sentences or yung isang topic lang, ihihiwa-hiwalay mo siya per topic, mas ma-encourage ka po magbasa ng tuloy-tuloy kasi psychologically, you feel na maiksi lang yung binabasa mo. Tip number 8, always end your blog with final thoughts and conclusion. This is also the perfect time for you to ask your readers and audience to write their comments, their opinions, or if they have anything that they would like to add in the topic that you wrote. Tip number 9, edit your work. Why? Kasi po, minsan sa pagmamadali natin magsulat or kaya minsan gabi na tayo nagsulat or sobrang bilis natin mag-type, nagkakamali tayo ng spelling. So it's really important na i-proofread nyo din po yung mga sinulat nyo after nyo po i-conclude lahat ng mga topics nyo. Ngayon po, kung hindi po kayo confident na magsulat pa ng mga blogs, especially kung English po yung sinulat nyo, you can download mga apps such as Grammarly. Ayan, they help you na ma-autocorrect sa mga spellings at sa mga grammars nyo. And the last tip for today, you have to write your original content. Alam ko, minsan, it's really hard to write, lalo na kung wala ka sa mood, right? Minsan din, wala din pumapasok sa'yo for some reason sa isip mo, right? But what you can do you can do research, you can read, you can write, you can watch videos for inspiration only. pero wag na wag ka pong kokopya ng gawa ng iba. So there are the 10 tips na may share ko sa inyo in regards to how to write an informal and more on conversational style of blogging. Now, I don't want you to sweat it out. I don't want you to overthink it as well. Just be who you are. Yun lang po. Think of your blog as if you are writing your journal. Make it sound like when someone is reading your blog na as if they are listening to you talking. So yun po yung purpose ng writing ng informal at conversational style ng blogging. But at the same time, don't just rant out. Give them valuable information para po babalik-balikan nila kayo. There you have it. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo for today. Yun lang po and have a great day. Bye, Arpinies! If this is the type of information or videos na gusto niyo pong mapanood sa loob ng ating YouTube channel, please let us know in the comment section below.